A new innovation for law enforcement to get to the real truth. The science of lie detectors has advanced. Eyewitness News reporter Robert Olguin joins us now with a closer look at this new tool for investigators. Robert?
Mark, traditional lie detectors or polygraphs measure your breathing, your heart rate, even how much you sweat. But this latest innovation is checking for lies exactly where they start, with the human voice.
Please pay attention. Now answer as quickly as you can.
Set in a futuristic Los Angeles, the movie Blade Runner predicts a world where private eyes use computers and mathematical equations to measure emotional reactions as part of a test that can detect deception.
What do you mean I'm not helping?
Now, more than 2 decades later, what was once science fiction has become the latest tool in law enforcement.
Think of a polygraph as a black and white picture. This is a color picture.
Lynn Robbins is talking about layered voice analysis, which goes far beyond the methods employed in traditional lie detector tests.
This measures the frequency of the human voice as somebody speaking in real time using conversation. It doesn't matter what language they speak.
Robbins is the president of the Wisconsin-based company that's marketing the technology to law enforcement agencies around the world, including the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department.
Without this technology, the investigator may decide to drop that line of questioning and go another direction. Yet this tool may say, hey, you know what, there's some deception here. Maybe I need to do a little more probing over here.
Unlike a polygraph test, which measures stress levels, layered voice analysis is measuring the frequencies in a person's voice, even those inaudible to the human ear.
The way the frontal lobe of the brain communicates with the vocal cords of the human voice, there's a wide spectrum that covers the entire human voice.
We put the technology to the test using footage from what was one of the most infamous presidential speeches ever made.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
When you see a false statement with an SOS, you have something that's very wrong.
Even in real time, the machine seems to detect my attempts at deception, even my attempts at honesty.
Do you live in LA?
I live, yes, in Los Angeles, in the city of Los Angeles.
In clinical trials, Robbins says the technology has a 95% success rate. It's currently being used on a trial basis with the LA County Sheriff's Department's crime lab. Another option for interrogators and officers who say this technology could be used in conjunction with polygraphs. Robbins says the software has applications outside of traditional law enforcement. Some European countries are using it at airports to screen for falsified passports and terror suspects. Robert Olguin, ABC 7, Eyewitness.